Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and this is how to cold smoke using a Masterbuilt electric smoker. So what is cold smoking? Well, you can see this attachment here. This is the Masterbuilt Electric Smoker Slow Smoker Attachment, also commonly referred to as the Masterbuilt Electric Smoker Cold Smoking Attachment. And basically what it does, you load your wood chips in here, and we're going to do that. This is going to be plugged in, the cold smoker attachment, but the Masterbuilt electric smoker is not. So this is the power plug for the Masterbuilt electric smoker. It is not going to be plugged in because I'm going to cold smoke a pound of cheese. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how to cold smoke here. So you get and this is not plugged in, it's not hot. I mean, obviously you use common sense. So pop this off. This has already been seasoned. Subscribe and check out my video where I show step by step how to season the Masterbuilt electric smoker slow smoker attachment. Now see, all you do is drop your chips of choice in here. I'm using hickory. I really like a hickory smoke flavor. It's really going to just make that cheese delicious. So I'm using hickory, but you could use applewood, you could use mesquite, you could use cherry, you could use oak, you could use, the list goes on. There's tons of woods that people enjoy, maple, tons of woods that people enjoy using to smoke. But the other awesome thing about this Masterbuilt slow smoker attachment, and that's technically what it's called, and again, I've linked it and the electric smoker within this video's description. But the other cool thing is the wood chip capacity. So this video I'm showing you how to cold smoke using the Masterbuilt slow smoker attachment. But we'll do some other videos where I show you how you can use this to make your traditional smokes that aren't cold smoke more efficient. So I mean, this has a huge wood chip capacity. I mean, with this, when I load this to the top with wood chips, I should be able to smoke that entire pound of cheese without having to add any more wood chips. That's my expectation, at least. But yeah, you just add chips. Make sure they go in the chute. You don't want chips anywhere else inside of here. You want them all in the little chute. Something I may do to make this more efficient is invest in a cheap funnel. I think that would be, you know, for loading this, that would make it easier, because I could just dump from my wood chip storage container into the little chimney part in here. Yeah, it's about halfway full. So while I'm filling this up, I'm just going to talk through. So basically, what you're going to do is keep your Masterbuilt electric smoker unplugged, because you want it to remain cool. And then what this is doing, this is a device that's got you know, that's heating up the wood chips and producing the smoke. So all that's happening in your Masterbuilt electric smoker is the cold smoke is coming through, and it's called cold smoke because the heating element in the Masterbuilt electric smoker will not be turned on. That's when you're cold smoking. So you can cold smoke cheese, you can cold smoke salmon, you can cold smoke, you know, there's a variety of things that, you know, obviously you wouldn't do cheese with heat because the cheese would melt, and that's why you got to cold smoke it. Yeah, I'm putting this in here. Almost got it. Oops, I dropped a few on the side, but the good thing is the design of this makes it easy to pull those drop chips out and put them in the chimney. Okay, so that chimney is full. And now I'm going to put the, let's see, there's one little chip I dropped. Got it. So there's, inspect the inside, make sure there's no wood chips outside of the chimney, and there's not. Then you can close your chimney. And as a reminder, if this is your first time using your Masterbuilt Slow Smoker Attachment, be sure to season it first. And I've seasoned this previously. Subscribe and check out my how to season the Masterbuilt Slow Smoker Attachment video. So now we're going to check our ashtray, make sure that it's empty, and reinsert it. Going to get an extension cord. Basically all we'll do, you know, this uses electricity, man, so make sure it's not wet. So all we're going to do is plug this in. And then there's a little on button. Turn it on, man. Push this button and boom. This will heat up. Smoke will start to come through here. You'll see smoke coming out of here. But as a reminder, my Masterbuilt electric smoker remains unplugged because I'm going to cold smoke, and today I'm going to cold smoke cheese. Subscribe, ring that bell to be notified whenever I post another video, and check out all of my Masterbuilt electric smoker videos. I've got quite a few videos at the time of filming this, and thousands more videos coming soon. Thanks for your viewership, and don't forget, expand this video's description. Click the link there. You can find the slow smoker attachment, the electric smoker like I use, and all other sorts of accessories too. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.